friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you a lead of a lamp. You can cover your lamp with a decorative lead. I am going to make it with a useless bottle, few decorative materials like a glittering strips. I took it 4 golden one and 4 red one and few stars. Here one lamp, here cutter, scissor and few glittering dots connected and one marker for making a line to cut it. Now I am going to start. First of all, I will be removing a nozzle. We are not using that nozzle because air can get inside and it get oxygen, so I am not going to make it. Here take it one strip and mark it as I marked it here, like this. Mark it here and I am going to cut it. Use your cutter very safely. Friends, if it is pointed, please take care about that. Try to cut it slowly. It should be in a straight form. Take your scissor. After cutting off the level, you will get it. If it is not perfect, you can make it with your scissor. Here it will go up and down. Here I cut it. See here, after putting here, it will be a little bit up and down. So I'll be going to cut it in a straight form with the using of scissor. Here you can see it is a straight. Now take a strip. I am going to stuck it from the nozzle to the end. Straight stuck. Here one more. I am going to take it golden one. You can take it different one if you need it. If you want to make it your by own selected color, you can make it your own different colors. Little bit it is coming out. We are going to cut it. Now again I am going to take it red. Same on opposite side. First press it accordingly. First press it from top to down. Do not press it directly. Again little bit outside. You have to cut it. I'm going to take it golden one. Straight. It should be straight. Cut it rest of things. Now here I am going to use it few sellotapes, a glittering sellotape here at the center of all the edges. Here from the starting point to end point, slowly. It should be going on the center. You can put it little bit closer. Cut it up to mark. Here you can put it inside little bit. Now again same thing, all four directions I am going to use it green. Again same here, from the first corner to the downside. You can put it downside, inside also, so it will get it little bit tight. Now again going on center. First press it in a stepwise, first to the nozzle and to the neck, and then coming down little bit, and it should be equal on the center. So now I left it one side, all four sides is done. I am going to stuck it here on a center, slowly. First stuck on a nozzle and then neck and then to the downside level. Here all four direction is done. Now on the splitting shapes where I stuck it green one, I want to stuck it stars, few stars on it. Here are my stars. You can see the stars. I am going to take it different stars. I am taking pink one first and glitting and stuck in on the green center one. Same thing again here. A star should be straight and it should be coming in between the decorative sellotape green one. It should be on all same direction. Little bit down. Now here last one. Take it in center. So here it's ready. Now a few glitting lines. At the center of the nozzle. At the center of the nozzle. Then few little bit more. Stick it properly. Now at the downside, take it one more lace. Stick it properly. You can press it properly. Again a short one, spaces remain, so I'm going to up to 3 or 4. Here it is done. Little bit upside. You can see here our lamp cover is ready. Now I am going to put it, I am going to glit it. Here is our matchstick. Now I am going to glit it. Even also I am here my light. Here you can put it here down. Here you can see the decorative, your shades are going out. You can see here cleared. And you want to see your decoration shades also coming outside. Even you are getting a patterns inside.